In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a star rating system in Notion. We'll build a simple visual rating you can use in any database to score books, movies, tasks, or anything you want to evaluate at a glance. Start by opening the Notion database where you want ratings to live. At the top of your table, look for the plus icon to add a new property. Click that plus icon. This creates a fresh column we can customize. Give this new property a clear name so it's easy to find later. Type ratings as the name. You can call it something else if you prefer, but ratings keeps it tidy and consistent across views. Next, set the property type so it behaves the way we need. Open the property type menu and choose multi-select. This option lets us predefine labeled choices we can pick from each row. It's perfect for building a set of star options that look consistent and are quick to use. Now click the ratings column header to bring up the property settings, then choose edit property. This is where we'll add the star choices. Select. Add an option to create your first rating. To insert stars quickly on Windows, press the Windows key and the period key together to open the emoji panel. If you're on another operating system, use your system's emoji shortcut. With the emoji panel open, search for star. You'll see several styles. The classic filled star works great for visibility. Create one option at a time. Start with a single star, then 2 stars, then 3, 4, and 5. You can type them as is and. Each of these should be its own option in the multi-select list. If you like, you can assign distinct colors to each option to make them pop, but the default look is already clear and readable. Once your options are set, you can use them on any row. Click in the rating cell for an item and pick the number of stars that matches your judgment. Because this is a multi-select property, be mindful to choose only one option per row so you don't accidentally stack multiple ratings. If you ever need to adjust your scale, maybe add a half-star option or rename something, return to Edit Property and update the options. Your existing selections will remain intact. That's it. You now have a clean, consistent star rating system in Notion that's easy to scan, filter, and sort. Use it to prioritize work, track favorites, and make your databases more visual and meaningful at a glance.